So I'm in my breastfeeding new mom, trying to figure out my body and what I'm comfortable with fashion era, because I just had a child and I need to make sure that my clothes is breastfeeding friendly. So I'm kind of rediscovering my style and my body, and in this video I want to show you guys some things that I got from Shein, from specific Shein stores. So some of the best place to shop at Shein are certain stores, and you can go into Shein stores and follow them and they will pop up all their new releases once you go on the app or you go on the website, once you have an account. And it's one of my favorite ways to get new clothing. So this is how you find shops on Shein. You literally find something that you like, or you find some place that you like a lot of the items. Then you're just gonna click on that item that you found, picking this shirt. Then I'm gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once I get to the bottom where it says following and all items, I'm gonna hit follow, and then I'm gonna click on all items, and then I'm going to see what they have, what's new, what I like, if I'm gonna add anything to my cart. And Misguided, Lysum, Skin, Demoy, Moseria are some of my favorite shops on Shein, and like Shein Girl and ATUI, where a lot of my items today are from, are some of my favorite shops. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to be wearing today, and it's from ATUI Studio. It very much gives Zara, it very much gives affordable Zara on a budget. So now I'm gonna go into what I got and how I'm styling them to make sure that they are friendly to my new lifestyle. So this is the first outfit. I really love the shirt, and the skirt is also from Shein. I will say this fit is not my favorite fit. Now that I'm looking back at it, I should have did some jeans pants or something, but the shirt definitely reminds me of a Zara top. I wish I had did some regular jeans pants, but right now your girl is 8 weeks postpartum. I can't fit any of my jeans, and I have some Jordans mules and my Coach bag and my Desi Sunny, which wraps up this look right here. Is a nice long maxi lace skirt, and I have on some white mules. Those are from Amazon, and the shirt is from Shein, and the skirt is also from Shein, and the bag is from Shein. And as you can see, Manaya is up. I thought she would have been asleep so I could get this video done, but she is definitely not. But the show must go on. I really like this fit, and I like this top a lot because it allows me to cinch my waist in. And when you just give birth, your midsection is definitely going to be the place that you're most concerned about, and for me it is. So cinching the waist in with this shirt is definitely giving me what I need. Dress is a nice cute bubble hem dress, and I paired it with my cheetah print heels and my belt. I don't remember where this belt is from, but I know it's a dupe for a more expensive belt, and I love these belts a lot. I had a brown and a black. I only can find my black now, but I really love this. This is perfect for date night with hubby, and it's perfect if I'm going out to eat or something. I really like this one a lot. And also my bag is from Shein and my sunnies are from Lorve. This is where the outfit starts getting a little bit spicy, and this is a short set, and I really love this short set. I love the details on the shorts, and I love the details on the top. I feel like I can wear these separate or together. I love the top. It really cinches my midsection, and it's giving what I needed to give. My bag is from Guess, my shoes are from Walmart, and my sunnies are from Amazon. And I actually really love this set a lot. If I was going to like Cardi B concert or something, I'll probably wear this with some boots. Like, I like this a lot. So this is the final look, and the skirt is cute. It has a nice asymmetric look, and I paired it with my cheetah print. I feel like it's just giving animal print vibes. The purse is from Shein. My glasses are from Lorve. I will say that this outfit kind of makes me insecure because this is not hiding any lumps and bumps or nothing, but I'm trying to show up for myself the way I am until I get to the point where I'm comfortable in whatever I wear and love myself throughout that journey. It took me 9 months to gain this weight. It's gonna probably take me 9 months to get it off, and I'm fine with that. So not too much on me, honey. I just gave birth 2 months ago. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and tell me what your favorite shops are from Shein, because I have a lot and I love a lot of them.